There was a time when people expected the things they bought to last 4 years. Today, many appliances become outdated long before they truly wear out. Back then, strength was not a feature, it was simply expected. One was built to stay in the family, the other was built to be replaced. Some people did not remember a refrigerator, they remembered a lifetime that stood beside it. You did not need a screen to know your refrigerator was well made. That solid sound was not just a door closing, it was quality you could hear. Back then, people often replaced a refrigerator because they wanted a new color, not because it stopped working. Even a kitchen mixer felt like it had been built for the next generation. Some machines were built to become family memories, others were built to become electronic waste. After lunch, many fathers headed to the garage, not because something was broken, but because there was always something worth improving. Back then, a toolbox was not filled with plastic, it was filled with confidence. Every click of a steel ratchet sounded like something built to last. Good tools were treated with respect because everyone expected them to be passed down. Some fathers did not just pass down tools, they passed down pride in taking care of what you owned. A good toolbox was not something you replaced, it was something you trusted for life. Back then, strong tools gave ordinary people the confidence to fix almost anything. People did not just use their tools, they took care of them. Many tools were handed from one generation to the next because they were still as reliable as the day they were made. The biggest difference was not technology, it was how long people expected things to last. In 1965, almost every town had someone who knew how to fix almost everything. Children did not just watch things being repaired, they watched skills being passed on. Fixing something often began with a short walk, not an online order. The happiest part was not buying something new, it was bringing something familiar back to life. Somewhere along the way, repairing became replacing. Today, we have more choices than ever, but fewer things we truly trust. Replacing something has become easier than understanding how it broke. Years ago, people expected to keep things for decades, so every paper mattered. Sometimes, the strongest proof of quality is simply that it's still here. Maybe what lasted the longest was not the steel, it was the care of people gave to the things they loved. For many families, these were not just appliances, they quietly become part of everyday life. Sometimes memories stay attached to the things that stayed with us the longest. The best tools did not simply survive the years, they earned a family's respect. There was a time when people planned to keep things, not replaced them. Perhaps the greatest quality was not found inside those machines, It was found in the people who believed they were worth taking care of.